This is a Benz & C stationary engine with an inverted configuration, produced in Germany in the early 20th century. Designed to power pumps, generators, and industrial machinery, it stood out for its robustness, continuous operation, and water cooling. Ran on gasoline, kerosene, or gas, providing reliable power in places without electricity. Its simple and durable engineering made it indispensable in rural mechanization and small factories. Today, it is a rare item, valued by collectors and preservers of mechanical history. This is a Deutz E12, a stationary gas engine produced in Germany in the early 20th century. Designed to provide continuous mechanical power to industries, mills, and pumps, it was robust and economical for its time. Powered by city gas or gas generated from coal, it stood out for its smooth operation and ability to work long hours without interruption. Deutz was a pioneer in the application of internal combustion engines for industrial use, and the E12 represented the combination of durability, low operating costs, and German precision engineering. Today, examples such as this one are preserved at historical gatherings, such as the one in Nuenen, keeping the heritage of stationary engines alive. The MWM RH18Z is a highly robust stationary diesel engine, manufactured in Germany between the 1930s and 1950s. With two vertical cylinders and a large flywheel, it was designed to power generators, large pumps, and industrial equipment that required continuous operation. Diesel fuel ensured greater autonomy and lower operating costs compared to gasoline or gas engines of the time. Deutz MKH260 is a large stationary diesel engine designed for industrial and large-scale power generation applications. Manufactured in Germany in the post-war period, it combined the brand's characteristic durability with high fuel efficiency. Equipped with a large flywheel, it was able to maintain stable rotation even under variable loads, making it ideal for driving generators, pumps, and heavy machinery. Buch diesel is a stationary engine manufactured in Denmark, known for its robustness and high-quality finish. Designed for industrial, marine and agricultural uses, it stood out for its reliability and ability to operate continuously under high loads. The Buch brand became famous for its efficient diesel engines, widely used in both stationary and nautical applications. Is a two-stroke stationary diesel engine manufactured in Denmark, designed for high-demand continuous applications such as power generation, industrial pump drive, and marine use in workboats. The two-stroke cycle offered greater specific power and mechanical simplicity, reducing moving parts and allowing reliable operation for long periods. MIH-232 is a large stationary diesel engine manufactured in Germany and widely used in industrial and agricultural applications in the 20th century. With a robust design and a large flywheel, it maintains stable rotation even under heavy loads, making it ideal for driving generators, pumps and machinery. The Deutz VMZ 145 is a large stationary diesel engine built for heavy industrial applications and power generation. With two vertical cylinders and a huge flywheel, it delivered stable rotation and continuous power to drive pumps, compressors, and factory machinery. Designed with an auxiliary starting system, it facilitated the activation of such a massive assembly. Water cooling and mechanical fuel injection ensured reliable operation for long periods, even in demanding environments. Today, preserved examples like this one are rare and represent the excellence of German industrial engineering in the 20th century.
Oder? Warte.
Vielleicht, du machst die richtigen Bilder, ne? Das ist doch wirklich scheiße im Heft.
This is a six-stroke Atkinson engine, also known as a Petkinson engine, an unusual and ingenious configuration from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The six-stroke cycle was designed to improve thermal efficiency and reduce fuel consumption by interspersing extra expansion and cooling strokes. This technology sought to extract more energy from combustion, something innovative for the time, although mechanically more complex.
Jetzt bin ich kein Mitglied mehr, glaube ich.
Diese Arschloch.
Ah, Sie wissen, wo wir das gemacht haben, ne? Guck die Oliemooi aan, hè?
Used in stationary applications, it served to drive pumps, generators and light machinery, usually powered by gasoline or gas. Today, it is an absolute rarity, both for its unique engineering and its historical role in the evolution of internal combustion engines. The Brantford oil engine, equipped with an HVID or bronze system, is a stationary heavy oil-powered engine manufactured in Canada in the early 20th century. These pioneering ignition systems allowed the use of cheaper and less refined fuels, making the engine ideal for farms, rural industries, and pumping applications. Gysons & Co. is a Belgian stationary engine manufactured in the city of Courtrai in the early 20th century. Designed for agricultural and industrial applications, it could drive pumps, mills, and other stationary equipment. Its compact construction and large flywheel allowed for stable operation, while the visible lubrication system and mechanical simplicity ensured easy maintenance. These engines were typically powered by gasoline or kerosene and became popular on small farms and in workshops due to their reliability and low operating costs. Today, preserved examples such as this one are rare and highly valued by collectors, representing Belgian mechanical engineering from the pre-electrification era. The Herfader diesel 6H280 is a six-cylinder stationary diesel engine designed to provide high continuous power in heavy industrial applications and power generation. Manufactured in Germany, it is renowned for its durability and ability to operate for long periods under full load. The large flywheel ensures stable rotation, while the mechanical fuel injection and water cooling system ensure efficiency and reliability.